In this lecture, we will find the relation between areas of two parallelograms which are on the same base and between same parallel lines. First of all, we must know what a base is in case of a parallelogram. So any side of this parallelogram can be considered as base. Any side can be considered as base, and altitude or height. Altitude for each base of a parallelogram is the corresponding perpendicular from the opposite side to that base. Now if suppose ABCD is a parallelogram and we are considering AB to be the base, then corresponding altitude will be perpendicular from this line DC to the side AB. So if AB is base, then say let this be E, then DE is height or altitude. Now this theorem, we have to prove that parallelograms which are on the same base and between same parallel lines are equal in area. Consider this figure. Let this A, B, C, D, let it be first parallelogram, and A, B, E, F is second parallelogram. Both the parallelograms are on the same base AB. Same base AB and two parallel lines AB and this line FC, FD, EC. And we have to prove that area of these two parallelograms, that is area of parallelogram ABCD, is equal to area of second parallelogram which is on the same base AB, EF. We have to prove that areas of these two parallelograms are equal. Now for that, first consider triangle ADF. This triangle ADF and triangle BCE. We will prove that these two triangles are congruent. For that, first AD is equal to BC. Why? Because these are opposite sides of parallelogram ABCD, and we know that in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. Similarly, AF is equal to BE, same reason. These are opposite sides of parallelogram ABEF, so they are equal. And angle DAF is equal to angle CBE. Now, why angle DAF is equal to CBE? We know that angle AFD is equal to BEC, corresponding angles. Similarly, angle FDA is equal to angle ECB, same reason. These are also pair of corresponding angle. So in these two triangles, if two corresponding angles are equal, then automatically this third angle is also equal to the third angle of the second triangle. Therefore, angle DAF is equal to angle CBE. So by SAS, these two triangles are congruent. That is, triangle ADF is congruent to triangle BCE. Now, triangle ADF, we have already proved, is congruent to triangle BCE. Now, congruent triangles have equal area, so we can write that area triangle ADE is equal to area of triangle BCE. Now what we do, we will add this area DEBA, area of this quadrilateral DEBA to both sides, plus area DEBA to both sides. So this is area BCE is plus area DEBA. Now by addition theorem we can add similar quantity to both the sides. So now area ADE, this is ADF, ADF, area ADF plus ABED is FABE. So left hand side is now area parallelogram ABEF and right hand side is BCE plus BEDA. This is now ABCD. It becomes area parallelogram ABCD. So this proves our result. Area ABEF is equal to area ABCD.